Hello guys, so in this Photoshop tutorial I'll show you how to create a vibrant poster design in Photoshop without wasting much time. Let's get started. Width 4 inches, height 4 inches, resolution 300 pixels, and click on create. Click that round circle and choose a solid color. Select any solid color picture, so you can copy this code and press OK. After pressing OK, choose your text tool and type your text. Then you click the check mark. Ctrl T to transform your text. Transform your text. Okay, drag it to transform your text. Drag until you are okay with it. Click that check mark. Okay, double click your text and you can change the font style of your text. I'm using Monstrat bold, and click the check mark again. Now center your text. File, go to file, place embed. We want to place our image, then select the image and place. Drag to fit properly. Flip horizontal. I want to adjust it to fit properly, so you need to take your time to adjust it to fit properly the way you want it to look. Okay, then click the check mark. Add a layer mask. Duplicate your image layer. I'm dragging it, so you duplicated it. Then click on your previous image layer, left click on it and create clipping mask. Select pixels, left click on the text and select pixels. Then inverse, go to select and select inverse. And erase a part of the human you don't need. Erase it. Just erase it like this. Erase it. Erase it. Select. Go to select and deselect. Click on both the text and the image layer. Then link layers. Ctrl G to group layers. Rename the layer. I will rename it image layer. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Trust me, you won't regret it. I know you are going to enjoy this video, so go ahead and give it a like. It won't cost you anything. All resource link in description. Go ahead and check it out. Select your shape tool, hold shift and drag to draw a perfect circle. Now select the color of your shape. Okay. I'll drag your shape behind your image layer. I'll drag it behind the text and number layer. Drag your shape behind the text and image layer. Drag it once more. Okay, perfect. Now position your circle well. Go to filter gallery, convert to smart objects. Then choose texturize and press OK. Consider different. It has added a very nice effect to your shape. So we just keep adjusting to fit the way you want to. Then click the check mark. Reduce the opacity a bit. You can reduce the opacity a bit. Okay, if it's too much, then duplicate it. You can hold out and drag it to duplicate it. Then Control T to transform. Control T to transform it. Control T and then drag to transform. Click the check mark. You can choose to reduce the opacity also. The 46 will be okay. I think we are good. Alt and drag. Click on it and hold Alt to duplicate. Hold Alt Shift to make a duplicate. Okay. As you can see how far we've come. Now select your text tool. Then type or put in your text. For me, I'm writing Jude. Now click the check mark. Then drag to the position where you want it to be. Okay. So I'm just dragging it to the position. Control T to transform. Drag and transform. Make it bigger. Click the check mark. Okay. Select your type tool once more. Click and drag to fill it with a lorem ipsum text. Automatically fill with lorem ipsum text. Now reduce the size a bit. And click the check mark. Control. Control A and center it to align it perfectly. Go to select, deselect. And see how far we've come. Now select the image layer. Go to the round circle. Create a solid color. Now choose light. I'll copy this code. Press OK. Go to filter. Filter gallery. Convert it to smart objects. Then select texturize and click OK. Turn the blend mode to exclusion. And you are done. Voila.